Dear students, let us begin our mathematics class. We are continuing simple interest, exercise 16.1, question number 4. Ranjana borrowed rupees 5,000 at 12% per annum. At the end of 3.5 years, she paid back an amount of rupees 4,050 and gave her watch for the balance amount. Find the cost of the watch. Now let us see what are the things given and what we have to find out. Principal, rate of interest, time given. So we'll find out the simple interest. Then we have to find out the amount. So we'll add principal with the simple interest and get the amount. Now we'll subtract this amount which she paid in cash to get the cost of watch. Now let us begin the solution. Solution says, first of all, we'll convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. See here, time is given in mixed fraction, that is 3 whole 1 by 2. That comes to 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7 years. Now we'll put the value in the formula. SI is equal to P into R into T divided by 100. P is 5,000 into 12 is rate of interest into 7 by 2 is the time divided by 100. This comes to rupees 2100. Means this is simple interest. Then we have to find out the amount. So what we'll do? We'll add principal with simple interest. So principal 5,000 plus the interest we just found out 2100. That becomes rupees 7,100. This is the total amount which Ranjana has to pay. Now let me show you the calculation. PRT we know. SI is equal to principal into rate into time divided by 100. What is principal? 5,000. What is rate of interest? 12. What is time? That is 7 by 2 and divided by 100. So 1 0 2 0 get cancelled 6 times. So this is 300 into 7. That comes to 2100. So what is simple interest? 2100. Now let us find out the amount. What would be the amount? We know amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. So our principal is rupees 5,000 plus what we found is 2100 simple interest. That comes to 7,100. So what is amount? 7,100. Now what we have to find out is the cost of watch. Now amount equals to amount which she paid and the cost of watch. So what cost of watch would be equal to amount which we calculated 7,100 minus the amount she paid. So 7,100 minus 4,050 which she paid, then it comes to 3,050. So this is the amount of cost of watch. Let me show you the calculation. See, the total amount which we found equals to amount paid minus cost of watch. So what it would be? Cost of watch equals to amount minus amount paid. So amount is 7,100 and what she paid was 4,050. Now we'll subtract this 4,050 from 7,100. 0, 10 minus 5, 5, 0, 3. So rupees 3,050 is the cost of the watch. This is the cost of watch, 3,050 rupees. Now come to question number 5. Find the amount received by Raju after 3.5 years for lending rupees 4,400 at a rate of 6% per annum. So let us see what the things are given. Time 3.5 years, rate of interest 6, and amount 4,400. What we have to find is amount. So first of all, we'll find simple interest and then amount. Now let us see the solution. Simple interest is equal to P into R into T divided by 100. So we have just put the values here. 4,400 into 6 into 7 by 2. Where this 7 by 2 has come? That is 3 whole 1 by 2 has become 7 by 2 into 100. Now, so simple interest is 924. Let me do the sum for you. See here, 4,400, this is principal, into R, that is 6%, into year, that is 7 by 2, divided by 100. So 1 0, 2 zeros get cancelled, 2 3s are 6. So this is 44 multiplied by 21. So that comes to rupees 924 is the simple interest. Now let us find the amount. See here, this is 924, the simple interest. Now let us find the amount. Amount equals to principal plus simple interest. So what is the principal? That is 4,400 plus simple interest 924. So that comes to 4, 2, 3, 4 plus 1, 5. So rupees 5,324 is the amount which Raju receives after 3.5 years. So 5,324 is the amount received by Raju. Now let us do question number 6. A woman borrowed rupees 8,000 from SBI for a period of 7.5 years. Find the interest and amount she would pay if the rate is 8.5% per annum. See again, principal, time and rate of interest given. So first of all, we'll find out the simple interest and then we'll find out the amount. Now let us begin. The solution is, first of all, we'll convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. 7 whole 1 by 2 becomes 7 into 1 by 2, that is 2 sevens are 14 plus 1, 15 by 2 years. And 8 whole and half percent rate becomes 8 into 1 by 2, 8 twos are 16 plus 1, 17 by 2, rate of percent. Now we know simple interest equals to P into R into T. P is 8,000, that is principal, into rate of interest 17 by 2 into time 15 by 2 into this divided by 100. Now when we solve this, what we get is 340 into 15, that becomes 5100. So simple interest is 5,100. Let me show you the working. So this is 8,000 principal into rate of interest, that is 17 by 2 into time, that is 15 by 2 divided by 100. So 0 0 get cancelled. 2 40s are 80, 2 20s are 40. So what is here? 20 into 17, that is 17 twos are 340 into 15. So 15 zeros are 0, 15 fours are 60, carry 6, 15 threes are 45 plus 6, that becomes 51. So simple interest is rupees 5100. Now we have to find out the amount as well. So amount equals to principal plus SI, simple interest. So 8,000 plus 5,100, that comes to 13,100. Let me show you the working. Amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. So principal here is 8,000 rupees plus interest 5,100, and that becomes 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 0, 1, 5 plus 8, 13. So this is 13,100 rupees is the amount which is paid back to SBI to close the loan. So this much is paid as amount, rupees 13,100. So today we did question number 4, 5 and 6 of exercise 16.1. Thank you children.